HitPaw has been around for a while, but it's undergone some impressive updates that have captured user attention. Once you sign in with your Google account, you can access tools like text-to-image, text-to-video, image-to-video, duration extension, and video enhancement. One of the standout features, video-to-video, is also easily accessible from the homepage. The platform's interface is simple and user-friendly. Scrolling down, you'll come across a variety of templates designed for creating viral videos on platforms like TikTok and Instagram. These templates cover a range of themes, including kissing monster morph, Trump dance, Halloween, and animal morph, along with many other trendy options popular on social media. Further down, you'll find sample videos created by other users, which you can reuse by adopting their prompts. To get started, pick a tool like Image-to-Video and explore the templates. By selecting a template, you can upload an image and apply fun animations and effects. HitPaw Video Enhancer is a powerful AI enhancement tool that improves video quality and resolution. Whether you're working with old footage or blurry content, it can transform them into stunning, high-quality visuals. With this tool, you can effortlessly upscale low-resolution videos to 4K or even higher. After accessing the platform, you'll find a simple and intuitive interface, making it ideal for both beginners and professionals. Just upload your video file, choose the appropriate AI model, and let the tool work its magic. HitPaw Video Enhancer offers multiple specialized models, including denoising, restoring old videos, and resolution enhancement, catering to a wide range of needs. One standout feature is its face repair function, which is particularly effective at restoring facial details in old footage. Whether it's blurry faces or scenes shot in low light, this feature intelligently compensates and refines details, making the visuals appear more natural and clear. The process is straightforward. Upload your video, select an AI model, and click Enhance. The system will automatically optimize the visuals with impressive processing speed. Once completed, you can preview the results and fine-tune the settings for your desired outcome. While the free trial version of HitPaw Video Enhancer comes with certain limitations, such as watermarks and shorter processing durations, it offers flexible subscription plans for frequent users. The trial version is also beginner-friendly, allowing users to fully explore the tool's potential. Overall, HitPaw Video Enhancer combines efficiency, ease of use, and advanced AI technology, making it an excellent choice for video optimization. It's particularly suitable for restoring old videos or enhancing video quality for social media content, personal collections, and professional purposes. Pixverse was an early innovator in AI video generation, and it has come a long way since its inception. Over time, it has introduced a variety of exciting and versatile tools, while also greatly improving the quality of its outputs. Many of the previous issues that users encountered have been significantly reduced. From the start, Pixverse offered text-to-video and image-to-video capabilities, which you may have already explored. However, it recently rolled out a game-changing character-to-video feature. This allows you to produce videos with consistent, recognizable characters, unlocking endless creative possibilities. When you sign up, Pixverse provides 100 free credits, plus an additional 30 credits daily. While this sounds generous, there are a few limitations, which I'll cover shortly. The platform itself is intuitive and beginner-friendly. You can preview example videos and easily create similar content with pre-configured settings. Of course, you also have the option to tweak these settings based on your preferences. Features like extend and lip-sync settings are available, and you can retry a project with the same parameters if needed. Simply upload an image, input your prompt, and customize options like duration, style, aspect ratio, and more. One standout feature is the FX tool, perfect for crafting eye-catching, viral-style videos. Now, let's talk about the output. The quality and processing speed are awe-inspiring. But here's the downside. Creating a single video can cost 15 to 60 credits, which means the free plan won't get you too far. Unless, of course, you're signing up with multiple emails to squeeze out extra credits.